Every creator dreams of this moment. But have you ever wondered how YouTube play buttons are actually made? It started in 2012 with the original silver-plated award. As the platform grew, so did the milestones.
Jumblers. The recess catches the light perfectly, emphasizing the depth without needing extra elements. It's pure optical reflections.
What looks perfect to the eye is even more impressive under a microscope. We simulate shipping conditions using vibration tables. Tests include heat resistance, drop and vibration tests, and long-term surface aging.
Technology builds precision. Humans ensure perfection.
The most rare is the red diamond button. They are extremely limited because only a few channels have reached the 50 million subscriber milestone.
Behind every play button is a story of patience, passion, and persistence.